Start again, baby.
Oh no,
Yeah, Daddy's fault. Yeah, Daddy's fault.
It's not my fault.
No, it's not Mario's fault.
It's Daddy's fault.
Daddy's fault, yeah. Are you ready?
Yeah, again.
In 3, 2, 1, go.
Hello,
guys! Welcome to Play Corner! Hi guys! Today I'm just going to be showing you some of the products we've been using with Amari to help with his writing and his reading and also his maths. We're getting a lot of questions about the products we're using, so this is a video sharing the products with you, and all the links will be left below, okay, if you want to purchase them for yourself. So these are Bob books. Very good. Very, very good. Amari loves them. He can read all of them now. And they were a great help in building his confidence when he's reading. Isn't that true?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, Amari loves the Bob books, don't you?
Yeah.
Good.
Ah.
No. Read it again. He. Hid.
Hit the bag.
Well done.
Got
Yes.
a bag and the bag.
Well done.
Daddy, let's play, Daddy.
Last page.
The bag had a
Read it.
hot the dog.
Good boy.
Yes.
Well done.
I did not play the summer. The summer. There you go.
Okay, sit down.
Summer. Sam and cat. No, go. Matt and cat. Sam, Matt and cat, Daddy.
Yeah.
Cat, Sam, and Sam.
Now these are the Miles Kelly sight words flashcards. These are brilliant. There is, I believe, 100 in here, and Amari now knows 98 of them. So yeah, he's finished, you might as well say, with this. But Miles Kelly, brilliant for kids learning their sight words.
About cold
Good boy.
back us in.
Everyone who wants their child to learn to read from as early age as possible, this is the book. I believe books like the Bob books have been derived from this book right here. It is the Alpha Phonics, a primer for beginning readers by Samuel L. Blumenfeld. This is the Bible.
No. Sammy and man has a sat at
So I hope this has been helpful for you, and leave any comments about whether or not you've purchased it and how well you are doing. Because we want everyone to be able to read, don't we?
Yeah.
Yeah. There you go, babe.
Thank you.
So that is it. Thank you for watching.
Bye.
Say bye.
Bye.
They can't see your face.
Bye.